Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can limit who you can communicate with during downtime on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, go down and tap on Screen Time. Then we go down and tap on Communication Limits. Next, tap on During Downtime. Now, put in the screen passcode. On the next screen, go to the Allow Communication section and choose Specific Contacts. And from here, you can choose from My Contacts or you can add in a new contact. So I'm going to select a contact from the Contacts app. And then tap on Done. So we can select a contact, or you can choose everyone and set that during downtime, allow one-on-one and group conversation with anyone, including unknown numbers. And if you choose a specific context, then only those contacts in the list will be able to communicate with you during downtime. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to screen time, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.